Hi there, Lori from Common Curriculum here. Today, my job is to talk to you a little about our commenting feature in CC. As you hopefully already know, CC is highly collaborative, and the commenting feature goes hand in hand with that. So let's take a look. Now, if you take a look, on the left are my plan books and on the right is my school. If you opt into CC for schools, you have this go to school button. You're going to hit the go to school button and everybody's plan books are going to be there. Say I'm an admin checking plans, and as I peruse plans, I look through and I say, wow, this is pretty spectacular. It's really thorough. I could go ahead and leave a comment for that teacher. Give them a shout out. This looks fantastic. Keep it up. Nobody has a problem with a shout out, right? Hit add a comment. So there we go. When I put a comment in a plan book, that person gets an email letting them know somebody's commented in their plan book. They also can go ahead and respond to me within their plan book. I'm going to hit back and give another example of when you might use a comment. Say I am another teacher going into Jennifer's plan book, and as I scroll down, I see and check out this PowerPoint. If I hit add a comment, I could say, can I borrow? This looks awesome. And leave that for this person. So they can comment back, sure. And then I can go and use that feature, that the import share feature that I've already demonstrated. But that's another way. I'm going to hit back and I'm going to go ahead and go into one more plan book as I peruse this one. If I'm an admin and I see this plan, it looks pretty solid, except they haven't tagged standards. Maybe I want to come in and just say, can you please tag standards here? And it's just a little coaching, a little push. I hit add comment. They're going to get an email asking them to tag standards, and they can respond. So in a nutshell, commenting can be super useful and really underline the collaborative piece when planning, and it could just make everybody's lives a little easier, save some time. Holler with questions. Take care.